Tesla CEO and visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk is known for his relentless pursuit of game-changing technology. One of his most anticipated projects is the Tesla Cybertruck, an all-electric pickup truck that has piqued the imagination of automotive enthusiasts worldwide. The Cybertruck has gotten a lot of attention since its debut in 2019, and fans have been eager for more information on its progress. Elon Musk has provided additional information about the Cybertruck's development, such as its features, production timeline, and possibly game-changing implications for the automotive industry. This essay will go over the key parts of Musk's update, focusing on the most recent advancements in the Tesla Cybertruck and their implications. Because of its futuristic and one-of-a-kind appearance, the Tesla Cybertruck's design has stirred passionate controversy. According to Elon Musk, the final design would stick to the original prototype's stainless steel exoskeleton with sharp angles and a mathematically beautiful appearance. The robust body of the Cybertruck is comprised of ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, making it resistant to dents, corrosion, and even small weapons fire. Musk stated that the Cybertruck's proportions might be drastically altered to better suit client needs. However, in accordance with the initial requirements, the overall size will remain quite big. The truck's bed is designed to have a large cargo capacity, allowing clients to transfer heavy items with ease. Furthermore, the Cybertruck's adjustable adaptive air suspension technology will allow it to change its ride height, making it suitable for a wide range of terrains and carrying needs. Musk noted that the Tesla Cybertruck aspires to redefine electric vehicle capabilities in terms of performance. The base model will be powered by a single motor, but higher-end variants will be powered by 2 motors for all-wheel drive. The top-tier model will feature a tri-motor system for amazing acceleration and off-road prowess. Musk praised the Cybertruck's exceptional power plant, as well as its hauling capacity. According to the most recent information, the electric truck will be capable of hauling up to 14,000 pounds, about 6,350 kilograms, making it a strong contender for conventional vehicles. The Cybertruck is a versatile solution for both personal and professional use due to its remarkable towing capacity. As one would expect from a Tesla vehicle, the Cybertruck will have extensive automated driving capabilities. Musk said that the pickup will feature Tesla's full self-driving technology, which will take advantage of the company's continued advances in autonomous systems. While the degree of autonomy has not been disclosed, it is likely that the Cybertruck will be supplied with a robust suite of sensors, cameras, and AI-driven software to facilitate various autonomous operations. Musk also unveiled a game-changing technology known as Cybertruck Vault. This improvement includes a secure, weather-resistant storage compartment located behind the rear seats, with plenty of room for valuables, tools, and equipment. The Cybertruck Vault, which can be accessed through a motorized tonneau cover, is intended to change cargo security and convenience in the pickup truck sector. The Cybertruck's energy efficiency demonstrates Tesla's commitment to ecologically responsible transportation. Musk stated that the truck will be equipped with Tesla's highly rated 4680 battery cells, as well as the most recent advancements in battery technology. The Cybertruck may achieve an incredible range per charge due to the superior energy density and longevity of these batteries. Furthermore, the vehicle will have fast charging capabilities, allowing consumers to quickly and easily replenish the battery. Elon Musk provided important information on the Cybertruck's production timeline and pre-order details. Despite initial production delays caused by manufacturing problems, Musk expressed optimism that production will be ramped up to meet the enormous demand. First Cybertruck deliveries are now scheduled for late 2023, with volume manufacturing beginning in 2024. Musk acknowledged the strong pre-order demand for the Cybertruck, stating that bookings have exceeded expectations. He notified customers that the pre-order process would be streamlined, allowing reservation holders to customize the features of their vehicle closer to the manufacturing date. This strategy aims to provide a more precise delivery date while simultaneously providing a more pleasant client experience. There are several other interesting points to consider, in addition to Elon Musk's significant updates on the Tesla Cybertruck's design, functionality, and production timeline. The Cybertruck's potential market influence on the automobile industry as a whole is one important problem. The Cybertruck's unusual design, typified by its angular and futuristic appearance, has sparked considerable debate and discussion since its initial unveiling. While some have questioned its unconventional looks, others see it as a daring and welcome departure from conventional pickup truck design language. Tesla has once again proved itself as a disruptive force in the automobile industry by violating existing conventions, with the Cybertruck garnering attention and strong interest from a wide range of consumers. Furthermore, the Cybertruck's entry into the truck sector has the potential to challenge ICE vehicles' dominance. Established manufacturers have traditionally dominated the truck market by providing vehicles with powerful engines and robust features. In contrast, Tesla's unveiling of an all-electric truck aims to disrupt the existing quo and accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles, EVs, in the truck industry. Another novel element that reflects Tesla's attention to detail and devotion to usefulness is the Cybertruck Vault. The vault, which is located beneath the back seats, offers weather-resistant and easily accessible secure storage space. This enhancement addresses a common concern among truck owners who require a secure location to store valuables or equipment. The Cybertruck Vault offers a solution that exceeds typical truck storage options, potentially appealing to a wide range of customers ranging from outdoor enthusiasts to contractors. In terms of production, Tesla's previous car debuts have shown that meeting demand while still meeting production targets can be tough. However, the company's consistent growth and expansion, as well as ongoing innovations in manufacturing processes, provide reason to be positive about the Cybertruck's timely delivery to reservation holders. Musk's comments on the manufacturing timeframe and vow to speed up the pre-order process show Tesla's dedication to providing a great customer experience. In addition to the truck market, the Tesla Cybertruck has the potential to influence the whole automotive sector. Tesla's success in the electric vehicle market has already produced market upheaval, encouraging other manufacturers to invest heavily in EV development. The Cybertruck highlights Tesla's desire to widen its reach and reshape the public's perception of what an electric vehicle may be. The introduction of the Tesla Cybertruck has also prompted other automakers to investigate their own electric pickup truck offers. Recognizing the expanding segment's demand and potential profitability, several major manufacturers have created their own electric truck models. Tesla's Cybertruck competition is expected to spur innovation and technological advancements in the electric truck business. This, in turn, benefits customers by broadening their alternatives and accelerating further advances in transportation electrification. Finally, Elon Musk's recent update on the Tesla Cybertruck disclosed not just exciting new features and manufacturing timelines, but also highlighted the vehicle's broader implications. The Cybertruck's unique appearance, exceptional capabilities, and Tesla's commitment to sustainability and autonomous technology position it as a major disruptor in the vehicle industry. By pushing the boundaries of electric vehicles, Tesla is creating a new benchmark for performance, utility, and innovation in the truck sector, encouraging competitors to accelerate their own electric vehicle development. As the Cybertruck nears completion, its success might have far-reaching ramifications, transforming the industry and hastening the transition to a more sustainable transportation future. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure the notification bell is turned on so you don't miss a video. Take care until the next time.